Good morning, students. Today I am here with new chapter of civics political parties. In this chapter, we are going to study what are the political parties, what is the meaning of political parties, and what are the function of political parties. In a democracy, political parties are easily one of the most visible institutions. Everybody know about the political party. Even the illiterate people, those who belong to remote area, they know this time BJP is ruling over the country. So, in a democracy, political parties are most visible. If you travel to remote parts of our country and speak to the less educated citizen, you could come across people who may not know anything about our constitution or about the nature of our government, but chances are that they would know something about our political parties. Suppose you are visiting a rural area of our country. The people do not know about the government, they do not know about the constitution, but they know about the political parties. They know who is ruling over the country. At the same time, this visibility does not mean popularity. Most people tend to be very critical of political parties, and many people criticize the political parties. They criticize their policy. They tend to blame parties for all that is wrong with our democracy. And generally, people blame to political party. If something is wrong with nation, the people generally blame to political parties. And okay, parties have become identified with social and political division. So the political parties are most visible in society. Therefore, it is natural to ask, do we need political party or at all? About 100 years ago, there were no political party because that time monarchy was most popular form of government. So in a monarchy, there was no political parties. But now democracy is most common form of government, and in every democracy there is political party. So presently, all over the world, democracy is most popular form of government, and under this popular form of government, there are political parties. Now come to the definition of political party. What is meaning of political party? A political party is a group of people. What it is? It is a group of people who come together to contest the election and hold power in the government. A very simple definition. A political party is a group of people who come together to contest the election and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective goods. They agree on some policies and program for the society with a view to promote the collective goods. Since there can be different views on what is good for all parties, they try to persuade people why their policies are better than others. They seek to implement these policies by winning popular support through election. So these political parties try to persuade people why their policies are better than others. What they try to persuade? They try to persuade people why their policies are better than the others. And they seek to implement these policies. What they seek to implement these policies by winning popular support through election. So after the election, when the political parties come into power, they implement their policy. Thus, political parties reflect fundamental political division in a society. What the political party reflect? It reflects the fundamental political division in a society. Parties are about a part of the society and thus involve a partnership, partisanship. So these political parties are the part of society. Thus a party is known by which party it stands, for which policy it supports, and whose interest it upholds. A political party has three components. So a political party is a part of society, and it is most visible institution in democracy. And political parties have three components. A political party has three components. First, the leaders. Second, the active members. And third, the followers. These are three components of political party. First, the leaders. second, the active members, and third, the followers. Who are leaders? Those who are ruling. And active members means those who are working for party in an organization from rural area to urban area. All over the country, they have a network of party. They are the active members, those who are working for the party. And third, the followers means the people, those who cast their vote to the party. So how many components of political party? Political party has three components. First, the leaders. Second, the active members. And third, followers. These are three components of political party. Now, what is the functions of political party? What does a political party do? Basically, political party fill political office and exercise political power. What does the political party do? They fill political office and exercise political power. Party do so by performing a series of functions. So they have number of functions. Basically, political party fill political office and exercise political powers. Parties to do so by performing a series of functions. They perform a series of functions. First, party contest election. The first function of political party contest election. What is the first function? Contest election. Because the main motto of political party is to come into power, and they come in power only through the election. In most democracy, elections are fought mainly among the candidates put up the political parties. What happens in democracy? Political party declare their candidate and then they contest the election. Party select their candidate in different way in some countries. So there is a different criteria of selecting party. In our country, the political party select the leader who will contest the election, while in America, the American people decide who will contest the election. So different countries have different criteria of election, selecting candidates. For example, in India, the political leader decide who will contest election from his constituency, and in America, the public, the supporters of the party choose its candidate. So the first function of political party is to contest election. Second, the parties put forward different policies and program. In fact, different political party have different policies. BJP have different policies, Congress has different, Samajwadi Party have different, Bahujan Samajwadi Party have different, and Communist Party have different policies and program. So basic aim of these political parties is to expose their programs and to popularize their programs. The voters choose from them. Okay, each of us may have different opinion and views on what policies are suitable for the society. But no government can handle each large variety of view in a democracy. A large number of similar opinions have to be grouped together to provide a direction in which policies can be formulated by the government. This is what the parties do. A party reduces a vast multiple opinion into a few basic positions which it supports. A government is expected to base its policies on the line taken by the ruling party. So the second function of political party is to forward their policy and programs. For example, the government have different policy to uplift the weaker section like Ujjwala Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Sadak Yojana, Janhit Yojana. So these are policies which are formulated by the political parties. Presently, the government of India, means the BJP, is running a number of program, and they form this program like the Ujjwala Yojana. Under this scheme, they are providing electricity to the poor people, and under the distribution of ration, they are providing ration free of cost to the poor people. They are providing cylinder to the poor people. So these are different policies, and these policies are formulated by political party. And third, parties played important role in making laws for a country. In fact, like the laws are made in parliament, but practically the laws are made by political party. For example, presently we have BJP Sarkar in BJP government in center, and it was the agenda of BJP government to remove Article 370 from Indian Constitution, and the BJP government removed it. Right. So who passed the bill? The bill passed in Parliament, but it was the idea of BJP. So whenever a ruling party make the laws, behind it there is the theory of political parties. That is why political party plays important role in making the laws. Law कान गवर्नमेंट बनाती है, लेकिन who support to government? The political parties. Parties form and run government. Next, party after the election, the political party which get majority, it form the government and it run the country. This is also the important function of political party, because after the election, the party which get majority form the government and start to run government. Okay, parties form and run government. As we noted last year, the big policy decisions are taken by political executive. That comes from the political party. Parties recruit leaders, trains them, and then make them ministers to run the government in the way they want. So political party recruit the young leaders, they give them training, and after training they make them minister, and these ministers run to country. Those parties that lost the election play the role of opposition. In the democracy, the political party who cannot win the election, they form the opposition. They play the role of opposition, and the role of opposition is very important in democracy. Okay, those parties that lost in the elections play the role of opposition to the party in power by voicing different views and criticizing government for its failure or wrong policy. Opposition parties also mobilize opposition to government. These opposition party control to government. If government is doing any wrong policy, making any wrong policy, so opposition control to government. That is why the political party, those who lost election, they play a role of opposition, and in democracy, opposition is very necessary to control the government. Next function of party is to shape public opinion. The political party know what is the opinion of the public, what the public wants. That is why the political party make laws according to the public opinion, because ultimately for the next election they have go to the public. So the political party cannot make policies against the public opinion. So these political party have a national network. They have organization from top to bottom. In central level, then in state level, then in district level, then village level. So this is a chain. Under this chain they function, and they know what is the opinion of public. Janta kya chahti hai. Accordingly, they exercise their power and they form the policy. So political party shape public opinion. They raise and highlight issues. Parties have lakhs of members and activities spread all over the country. The party have a large number of active members, those who are spread all over the country. All of the pressure groups are the extension of political parties among different sections of society. Parties sometimes also launch a movement for the resolution of problems faced by people. Often opinion in the society crystallize on the lines of party. So political parties shape public opinions. Then another function, that is parties provide people access of government machinery and welfare scheme. The party benefit to people with the government schemes implemented by government. For an ordinary citizen, it is easy to approach the local party leader. So in present scenario, it is very easy to people to approach the political leader. Easily, a poor person can approach to a political leader in local level. That is why they feel close to parties even when they do not fully trust them. So when they come in contact of a political leader, they feel close to political parties. Parties have to be responsive to people's need and demand, because ultimately these political parties are responsible for the public, because ultimately they have go to the public for the election. Otherwise, people can reject those parties in the next election. If the political party will not work according to the public opinion, what will happen in coming time? These people will not cast vote to the political party. That is why political party is responsible for the people. So what is a political party? Political party is a group of people who come together to contest the election and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good, since there can be different view on what is good for all. So political party has three components. First, the leaders. Second, the active members of party. And third, the followers. What are the function of political party? Basically, political parties fill political offices and exercise political power. Who exercise the political power? Political parties. Parties do by performing a series of functions. So what are the series of functions and what are the function of political party? First, political party contest the election. Second, political party put forward different policies and programs. Third, political party a decisive role in making laws. Fourth, political parties form and run government. Fifth, those who lost the election, they play the role of opposition. Sixth, political parties shape public opinion. And second, political party provide people access to government, machinery and welfare schemes. So these are the function of political party. Political parties are most visible institution in democracy. Everybody know about the political party. So this is the definition of political party. Then I told you about function of political parties. Rest we will discuss in second part of the video. Thank you.